Hey, how you doing? How you doing? It's Terry over here at Normal Gadgets. You know, we're having a good day. It's a rainy day, but you know what? I got better news for you. Just found. I don't know where they were out back in the alley, but we found these iPhones. If you need an iPhone, we found these iPhones. They just kind of fell off a truck, so to speak. But we've got the iPhone for you. You can come here and pick up a good deal, better than any place else, because we got these iPhone X's and iPhone XRs and an iPhone 11 and an XS Max. We got a really big one back there, but look at them. Aren't they beautiful? Even in color. We got the blue and the red one here. Those are really pretty. So if you're looking for a deal on an iPhone, I think you come over to Normal Gadgets, you know, today or tomorrow, or as quick as you can hop on your bike or your horse or your car and get on over here so we can help you out. And the cost, you won't even believe the cost. The cost is just, let's just say this, awesome, okay? Come on over. I gotta go back to cleaning.